Kakiage Bukkake Udon is a cold udon noodle dish topped with a crispy vegetable Kakiage Tempura and finished with a generous pour of savory Mentsuyu sauce. The chewy, chilled noodles soak up all the deep umami flavor, while the golden kakiage adds a satisfying crunch on top. First, we prepare the toppings. Chop green onion thinly and peel the daikon radish and grate it. Set aside in the refrigerator. Next, we prepare the vegetables for kakiage. Cut the carrot into thin matchsticks and cut the onion thinly and cut the green beans diagonally into similar sized pieces. Cut the shrimp into small pieces and put the vegetables and shrimp in a medium bowl. For the tempura batter, in a different bowl, add the cake flour, katakuriko or cornstarch, a pinch of salt, and ice cold water. Stir, but don't overmix. And we combine the vegetables and the batter. Fill a pan with oil to 1 inch deep and heat over medium-high heat. Drop a big spoonful of the battered vegetables into the oil and fry for 6 to 7 minutes, turning once or twice. Fry until crispy and golden brown. Remove from the oil. Next, cook the udon noodles according to the package instructions. We are using the frozen udon, but you can also boil dried udon noodles. And cool under running water, use ice if needed. Mix the chilled Mentsuyu sauce and water. Mentsuyu is a multi-purpose dipping sauce made of soy sauce, mirin, sake, and katsuobushi bonito flake. You can use a store-bought or follow our Mentsuyu recipe. In a large shallow bowl, add the noodles, kakiage tempura, grated daikon radish, and green onions. Pour the sauce over the dish. We are serving this cold today, but you can also serve everything hot instead if you like. It is just as delicious warm as it is cold. Hope you give this a try.
美味しいね。